guys, what's up? I should on the lights. Which no skincare routine? Money na skincare routine. Sure, you people know that money is skincare routine. But you guys, I need to head to the market. I feel like I always head to the market. I came back from the market yesterday. I'm heading to the market again because I believe in bulk buying. I pledge to bulk cooking. I pledge to bulk cooking. I pledge to bulk buying. I don't have strength to be going to buy bulk things every week.
What especially things? I be one few things every week.
Yes, my few things every week, and that will not end up being bulk things. Because by the time you enter this Nigeria, say you want to buy a few things, it has entered. Say you want to go to the stores around you that are made available, you don't enter 200k or you don't enter another money. But yeah, you guys, I'm heading to the market, and in fact, I followed Mr. Obichuk somewhere, and I'm going to tell him he has to take me to the market. I want to just make bitter leaf and okra. I bought the okra yesterday when I went to the market. I make that one. The oziza self, I bought oziza, I bought vegetable. I'll make that one today, but I also want to make onubu soup. So yeah, I have opei and I also have ogiri. My sister-in-law brought from Enugu since that I have not used. In fact, I've not made my Igbo soups in a long while. Usually afang, fisherman and all. So this weekend I want to spend time and just cook, stock up in the fridge. And yeah, baby, see carpet grasses. I'm even what they call it. I don't know if they rent or this thing. But yeah, that's what we're just heading to the market right now. I followed him somewhere, like I said to you guys, and he will stop me at the market. Let me just quickly buy bitter leaf. Though there is bitter leaf in the compound, though, but the stress of plucking all those things and having to now wash them again, you know, let's just gingerly go and buy, and a few other things. I bought sweet habanero pepper yesterday and yellow pepper. Let's just make good use of it. But anyways, guys, welcome to a brand new vlog, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching. There's going to be lots of cooking in this one. I hope you guys will enjoy watching, and yeah, let me know how you guys in the comment section. It's your Boomsy girl reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. But anyways, I'll see you guys. Where bitter leaf? Wash one. Mommy, well done, eh? Yes. Long time. Where you there? Where you go now?
I will go.
You get how many children you get, mommy? 12 children. Now real life, I been this thing.
Oh, not be AI.
Oh, you go do a mugo. Yes. Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations. I bet I want onugo. Bitter leaf.
Long one.
Long one. Share me 1,000. No.
Yeah, 500.
Tituru 1,000. Too much, okay. Name Biko. No,
not the same thing. I know, say.
I sent him. Like this one go dating.
I go bless it. I go bless it. Okay,
2 cup.
Give me this one.
Toilet protection. Because when you buy that, you do around the money.
Buy your things in bulk. It's only just 3 things I bought in the market because I have every other thing at home: meat, to fish, gbogbo, everything full house. So let's just head home and start cooking. But is there any blended one? What? That means I'll make the okra without ogbono. Back home, let's get straight to cooking. Everything is on fire. Let's cook. Come on, bring the palm oil for me. Palm oil. Bring the palm oil. Palm oil. Look at it. See the palm oil. Look at it.
This one.
Yes, it's the palm oil. Don't rub it on yourself.
My mommy is my best.
Come call your brother. We should open the Maggi together.
Alright.
Why you open it? Put it inside here.
Okay.
Mommy, come. Put it inside there, okay?
Kato!
Come out of there. Come out. It's hot. It will hurt you, mommy.
Oh, it's a pizza.
You guys, I'm trying to just make these two soups quickly as possible so that the kids will eat.
A basu.
Yes, so that everybody can eat. We will rest, and I need to wake up this night. So I have a lot of things to do. So I need to finish up.
When I was asleep yesterday. No, it's got no time to sleep. I'm sleeping.
Nah.
I mean, this
Go and
one.
drop this in the sink and rinse it out.
I mean, this one looks like a pizza. Make this one like a pizza, please.
you have not put this one, this one is ogiri, sorry. If you have not put this one, you have not cooked onubu soup yet. So always have your ogiri, yellow pepper. You know me, I'm married to an Anam Brahman. So Ogom can testify for you in the comment section. If you have not put your ogiri, never started to cook bitter leaf soup. You guys, I am done cooking and I've served myself. This is my portion. I want to. This is my portion. Let me enjoy. Biole banga soup.
Yeah, I love a lot of banga.